check in, arrive and register at airport. You must check in before departure. Check out. Leave the hotel after paying. When you are checking out, could you inform me? Drop off. Take somewhere by car. Could you drop off her somewhere? Get away. Escape from place. Everybody just got away. Get on. Board a car and a bus. Get on, we will go to tea shop. Get off. Leave a car, bus, etc. He is getting off from bicycle. Hoop on, informal. Get on the bus or car, etc. Don't use hoop on in formal situation. Hoop off. Get off by bus, car, etc. He is hooping off from the car. Pack in. Managed to do a lot of things. He is in hurry, he is packing in. Pick up. Color someone. Would you mind picking me up? Set off. Start a journey. Are you ready? Setting off. Stay on. Stay longer than intended. Stay on until doctor comes. Stopover. Stay at a place on the way to somewhere else. You are parking your car, stopover in parking. Take off. Leave the ground. Airplane has just taken off. Turn back. Return toward the place you left. Don't turn back. Take in. Include visit of interest. I managed to take in all the sights. Hold up. Delay when traveling. Could you hold up for a minute? Touch down. Land. Airplane has just touched down. Speed up. Speed faster. Don't speed up.